In this tutorial, we'll explain you on how to set up our WooCommerce Catalog mode, wholesale, and role-based pricing plugin. Once you have installed and activated the plugin, click on Settings option to get started. You can also find the plugin settings in the WooCommerce section here. The plugin settings are divided into 5 subsections. The role-based pricing section is where you can set up role-based pricing configuration. Unregistered user section, which contains settings for your guest users. Catalog mode section, for turning your whole store into catalog mode. Tax options, to set up role-based tax display in shop, cart, and checkout page, and to add a general or role-based suffix text to the price. And manage user role section, where you can add or remove user roles. First up is the role-based pricing settings. These settings will help in removing or replacing the Add to Cart button, and hiding product prices based on user roles. For example, let's say you want custom user interface for subscribers, customers, contributors, and wholesale buyers. Like you would want to remove Add to Cart button for subscribers. Redirect the Add to Cart button to external sites for customers. Hide product prices for contributors. And lastly, since wholesale buyers need different level of shopping experience, set custom product prices for them. Here's how you can set up this in the plugin settings. In the first option to remove Add to Cart button, select Subscriber User Role. A new text field will follow where you can specify a placeholder text. When a subscriber logs into your store, the products will be shown something like this. Next option is for replacing the Add the Cart button text. Select Customer User Role from the given drop-down list option. Further settings appear, where you can specify the replacement text for the button in product page, or in shop page. You can redirect this button link to external website by specifying the respective URL in this text field option. Remember, with this option, only the button in the shop page will redirect to external site. When these settings are applied, your shop page for customers will operate as shown. Also, you can hide regular price of all simple products which have sale prices, or hide all product prices based on user role. To hide product price for contributor user role, select the respective user role from Hide Price setting. This will also remove Add to Cart button for the selected user role. This is how the shop will function for all your contributors. In addition to this, the plugin provides individual product adjustment, based on user roles. With this feature, you can set different product prices or price adjustments, based on user roles. For our demonstration, let's select Wholesale Buyer's user role for individual product adjustments. This adjustment setting will be available in every product edit page. A new section will be available in the product data meta box, where you can enter custom product price. When a wholesale buyer logs into your store, he can see the custom price for the product, as shown. Moving to Price Adjustment table. This is where you adjust prices based on user roles. You can apply discount, or markup, on either sale price, or on both regular and sale price. The first column in the table represents all the available user roles. In the second column, you can select desired product categories for price adjustments. This means, the price adjustments will only apply to the selected product categories, specified for respective user role. If no category is selected, the price adjustment is applied to all products for the respective user role. The price adjustment can be applied in terms of amount or percentage value. To apply a discount, enter negative value. For markup, enter a positive value. You can change the priority of user roles by dragging and dropping the hamburger icon on the extreme left of each user role to the desired position. If a single user has multiple user roles assigned, the user role with the highest priority will be chosen for price adjustment. To enable a user role for role-based price adjustment, tick the respective use role-based price checkbox of the user role. Once all the settings are configured, click Save Changes. You can configure these settings at product level as well. In the Product Data Meta box, a new section for role-based pricing can be seen. The settings are divided into 3 sections. Catalog mode for unregistered users, where you can remove Add to Cart button, hide product prices, or hide the product itself. Catalog mode for different user roles, for which, you should select user roles for the same. For example, let's consider you want to hide this product for Shop Manager user role. To do this, select the Shop Manager user role from the Hide Product option. The product will be hidden from Shop Managers, as shown. Next is the price adjustment setting. These settings are similar to that of role-based price adjustments, except that the adjustment is only applied to the product. If you are using this adjustment, remember to enable the Check Enforce Product Price Adjustment option, as only this option will allow you to use product-level price adjustments. For example, notice the initial product prices of these 3 products. It's £30, £7, and £20 respectively. When a markup value of £5 is applied to Shop Manager user role, the resultant screen is as shown. Further, for this product, if we apply product level adjustment discount of £5, Shop Managers will view the updated product price as shown. Moving to unregistered user settings. As the name suggests, these settings allow you to turn your store into catalog mode, or use custom configuration for your unregistered users. These settings are similar to role-based catalog mode settings, where you can remove Add to Cart button, replace Add to Cart button text, hide regular price for sale price products, and hide all product prices. Configure the settings based on your requirement, and save the settings. A guest user will access your store as shown. The third section is for catalog mode. With this feature, you can turn your whole store into catalog mode in just a single click. Once this option is enabled, all role-based catalog mode settings will be overridden. Product prices and Add to Cart button will be hidden for all user roles. The Add to Cart button will be hidden in Shop page and Product page, as shown. Now, let's see tax options. Enable the tax options to reveal further settings. In this section, you can assign desired tax class and tax display option to each user. You can set priorities of user roles by dragging and dropping them to the desired position. If a single user has multiple user roles assigned, the user role with the highest priority will be chosen for tax display option. Remember, these settings only help you to configure tax display option, and not set custom tax rates based on user roles. The tax rates will however be the default tax rates defined in your WooCommerce tax settings. Next feature helps in setting price suffix text. You can set a general suffix text for all users, or set role-specific suffix text. This text will be visible next to product price on Shop page, as well as on the product page. The last set of settings is where you manage all user roles. To add a new user role, enter desired user role name, and click on Add User Role button. These user roles are only limited to the plugin, and cannot be accessed for other WordPress user functionalities. To remove an existing user role, tick the respective checkbox of the user role, and click on Delete User Role button. You have now finally configured all the settings for WooCommerce Catalog Mode, Wholesale, and Role-Based plugin. To know more about the plugin, refer the product page. You can also check the documentation for the same here. And for any queries, feel free to contact our support team. We'll be happy to help you out.